Hey guys, check out this dust collector double filtration system, right? Now this is gonna be the all-in-one system that you need for your workshops, your garage, or wherever you need, a little double, triple, cleaning power, right? So this is fantastic that it comes in two different ways that you can put it together and you can switch between them with the ease, right? And right off the bat, let me tell you, they sent this to me as a gift to try out because I'm currently building my workshop, my wood shop down here in the basement, right? So I figured this is gonna be the perfect place to mount this double filtration system up against the wall, right? And that's what I did. So I pulled everything out of the box and I was surprised. I was surprised about everything that came included with this, right? So whether you want to hang it up or you want to slap these wheels on it and roll it around with the vacuum cleaner, right? This is gonna be everything that you need. So me, I got a wood shop that I'm building on the other side of the wall. So I'm gonna run this cable that they provided up here and into my filtration system, right? And that's what's fantastic about this. And as soon as this power gets sucked on and it starts sucking from my wood drills, whatever it's gonna suck from, it's gonna suck it all in and it's gonna separate the dust, the sawdust into this nice little filtration container here. And then all the junk, all the ucky stuff is gonna fall right into this canister that you're gonna be able to dump out when you need to, right? And so like I said, everything was included no matter which way you want to mount this, right? If you're going to mount it on the wall, it has all the accessories for that. And if you want to roll it around, it also has all the accessories for that. And I am thankful that they included everything. They even got these O-rings that tighten up when you put your good old hoses on here. And this is high quality material. I was super impressed when I started building it and seeing how high quality this material was, right? So let me tell you, once I got it slapped up on the wall and I put everything together, I wanted to test it out right now for you guys, right? So I got some stuff throughout the basement. I got a little bit of stuff through the wood shop and I threw it down here on my floor, right? And then I hit it with the tube and it was sucking this stuff up with the ease, man. This is some suction power, right? And I love how it goes in through that double filtration system. It's gonna get all your dust, all your little particles, all your sawdust, and it's gonna keep it right here in this container. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna tell you what you keep that for, what you're gonna use it for, but it's gonna work great. And then all that junk in that big tub. So all in all, if you're looking for that double filtration system, if you're looking for a dust collector, if you're looking to put something up in your whole dust collecting system that you have, whether it's in your workshop, your office, your warehouse, I don't know, but I tell you this one right here is gonna come through for you and it's not gonna let you down. This thing is fantastic.